Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It's Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, so we had a great time again in the Well Charged Live training room, folks. If you look pre-market, I've got the Russell up here, folks. Just as a reminder, right? We were in a nice downtrend in the market, pre-market before it opened up the regular session at 9:30. So once the market opened up, we were in agreement based on the indicators that we're definitely aggressive to the short side. Now, as we talk about in the Well Charged Live training room, once 9:30 hits here, I wait 10 minutes before I look for trades. So we then had the bounce, which is very, very common after a move down at the open, bounce. And then you can see here again, back in the direction of the overall trend. We were able to take a nice short. You can see this flat top. You can see the TRP cross after the Laguerre. These are the type of formations we look for. And then that flat top, Heikin-Ashi. And we were able to grab 16 ticks and flattened out just based on this coming down to these lows here. Didn't think it would continue. I could have trailed as well. Okay, so that was a fantastic trade following the rules and the trend using Heikin-Ashi with the other indicators. I also had an opportunity then at a little bit later on the S&P. That was a short play as well. And it was a little bit more aggressive. And again, what I do is when I place trades, this was in one of my live PA accounts with Apex. But when I take a trade, I show it on the dome. And then I explain if it's aggressive or not. And this was aggressive for one main reason. We were already a nice trend. We had the retracement. Okay, but we had the formations I was looking for here. Then when we got the flat top again, it was aggressive just based off of the formation of the wicks here. And so basically I took 7 ticks and got out. Okay, didn't look to continue that trade, didn't look to just keep part of the trade. I basically took 7 ticks and got out. Okay, and then we really started looking at reversals. And so this was after the room was closed down this morning. You can see we started reversing. And so then at that point, we had a HADS basically saying we're probably getting close to a bottom here. And so we didn't look to trade, and I didn't look to trade any more shorts during the morning up until noon here. Okay. Then lastly, folks, one of the other things just wanted to show you here, the NASDAQ. So again, has some long opportunities right around 11:30. The market started reversing. You can see here, this was a big reason why when we're looking at the indicators, potential bottom. But again, I don't like to just go long based off of that. At the time, I do need my algorithm, to be net bullish as well. But typically what I do is once it starts proving itself, then you see these yellow dots. These can be entries back in the direction of the new trend with these flat bottom Heikin-Ashi candles. Okay, and so you can see here another one, blue, could be another entry. So always looking to see the trend and then looking for those retracements back in the direction of that trend. All right, folks, hope to see you tomorrow in the Well Charged Live training room. Again, we're having a blast. We're learning a lot. Again, hope to see you there. Have a great evening, everyone. Take care.